This is part 2 of giving you all the affordable alternatives of these really gorgeous and hyped products. You'll get the same vibe without spending a lot of money. Let's get into it. Starting off with the most popular concealer in the market, that's your Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now everyone loves this. It's a great concealer, but if you're looking for something in budget that gives you same kind of finish and feel, then you should go for L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Oh my god. The finish, the coverage, the long lasting power, it's exactly the same, and you can see the price difference. The only difference is that, I'll tell you, the Too Faced one is more on the hydrating side. This one is a little dry. Both are amazing. And if you all want a detailed comparison of these two concealers, I'm attaching a reel on this reel, so check it out. Second product is your Fenty Diamond Bomb. Now everyone is obsessed with this one, and now it's available in India also. It's a highlighter. Look at the finish it gives. Let me show you on my face and on my eyes. I have an alternative of this one, and this is your Simply Nam Pixie Dust. Now it's a liquid highlighter. You can use it as a highlighter or your eyeshadow. Now, obviously the product type and packaging are different, but finish, let me show you on my cheeks. I'll show you the close-up. Simply Nam Fenty. Imagine this on top of your brown smoky eyes. If you want that Fenty Diamond Bomb like finish, you can get Simply Nam Pixie Dust. Next one is again a very popular product. That's your Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Now this one is viral for a reason. This is one of the best setting sprays in the market. It hydrates, locks in your makeup really well, and you can apply this in between your makeup steps and in the end. But if you don't want to spend so much money on a Charlotte Tilbury setting spray for now, you can get Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is again my most favorite affordable setting spray. I can confidently tell you that Milani one is a great alternative for Charlotte Tilbury one. It locks in your makeup really well. It hydrates your skin. You can apply it in between your makeup steps, and in the end, it will keep your makeup intact in place throughout the day. So if not this, get this. Last product is the Inglot Gel Eyeliner. If you all don't know, let me tell you all, this is the best gel eyeliner out there in the market. It's waterproof, smudge proof, jet black. You can see that. No matter how good your pen eyeliners are, nothing, like literally nothing can match a gel eyeliner. So I found an alternative. This is from PAC. It's exactly the same. Very long lasting, smudge proof, waterproof, budge proof, everything proof. You can see that. And if you're an eyeliner lover and you want to nail that perfect eyeliner, get a gel eyeliner. So if not this, get this. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.